Hello and welcome to episode number 1 of a series of DataEase tutorials we will be providing you with. For today we will be starting with the basics. So once you've downloaded the DataEase application, you will be met with this screen where you can either create a new application or open an existing one. We'll start with showing you how to create a new application. Simply click here, choose where you want to put it. Ideally this will be a locally saved folder, since with cloud files it may corrupt files once it is being synced with the cloud. So ideally keep this locally. You name your application, let's say for example this one, we'll use this name. And that's it. You've opened your first application. Should you wish to open an existing application, you can either select it from your recents, either click here, find the location where it is stored and insert it from here, or you can alternatively go to here, open application and select the location where it is stored.